Imagine this, you're feeling sick and you need to see a doctor. But as you think about the medical bills, a sinking feeling hits your stomach. It's not just about getting better. It's about whether you can even afford it. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? But here's the thing, affordable healthcare for all isn't a dream, it's something we can make happen. In countries like the USA and UK, healthcare is often a huge financial burden. From expensive doctor visits to outrageous medication costs, many people simply can't afford the care they need. But it doesn't have to be this way. Affordable healthcare for everyone is not just a possibility, it's a necessity. And it's something we can all work towards. So, why is healthcare so expensive? Well, it's complicated. In the USA, healthcare makes up nearly 18% of the economy. But still, millions don't have access to basic services. In the UK, even though the NHS exists, people face long waiting times, and there are still gaps in care. The bottom line? It doesn't have to be like this. We can do better. The problem is simple, money. There's too much of it being made off people's health. Insurance companies and pharmaceutical giants drive up the prices. It's not about the patient, it's about profits. Here's how it works. Insurance companies set high premiums, leaving people with huge deductibles. Pharmaceutical companies charge outrageous prices for medicine. The system is so complicated that you often don't even know what you're paying for. But the real question is, why can't we fix this? Let's look at countries that are getting it right. Here are two examples. The UK's NHS, a single-payer system funded by taxes. While it's not perfect, long wait times, for example, it ensures everyone can get care without the stress of crushing medical bills. Canada's system, another single-payer system. The government covers most healthcare costs, and people pay taxes in return. This may sound odd, but in Canada, they spend less on healthcare per person compared to the USA. These systems show that universal coverage and affordable care are not only possible, but they also work. People are healthier, and they don't have to go broke for a simple checkup. So, how do we make healthcare affordable for all? Here's how. Universal coverage. Whether you're rich or poor, healthcare should be available to everyone. Focus on prevention. Simple checkups and early treatments save money in the long run. Healthier people mean fewer costly emergencies. Lower drug prices. If other countries can negotiate better prices for medicines, why can't we? Streamline the system. Fewer layers, less paperwork, and better coordination between doctors and hospitals would bring down costs. Now, it's easy to say we need change. But how do we make it happen? It starts with each of us. Here's what you can do. Speak up. Advocate for universal healthcare. The more people demand it, the more likely we are to see change. Support healthcare initiatives. Back policies and programs that aim to provide affordable healthcare for everyone. Push for transparency. We need more clarity in medical bills and services. We should know exactly what we're paying for. I remember talking to a friend in the US. She works full-time, but every time she needs to see a doctor, she worries about the cost. Even a basic checkup becomes a financial burden. It's crazy, right? Healthcare shouldn't be a luxury. I've heard so many similar stories, people skipping essential treatments just because they can't afford them. This has to change. Affordable healthcare isn't just an idea, it's something we deserve. No one should have to choose between getting care and going bankrupt. Whether it's through universal healthcare, better insurance policies, or a focus on prevention, it's possible. We can do better. If you believe in affordable healthcare for all, join the conversation. Share this video and make your voice heard. And hey, don't forget to check the description below. There's a link to another channel with more important topics like this. Go ahead and subscribe to stay informed. Let's make healthcare accessible for everyone, together.